For the first time, machines weren't just following rules anymore. This is generative AI, technology that creates something entirely new. Today, millions of people create with AI, turning ideas into reality faster than ever. Around the world, companies are investing billions into generative AI because they believe the next technology revolution has already begun. AI is evolving beyond answering questions. Welcome to Agentic AI, systems that can plan, coordinate, and take action. Some jobs will change, new jobs will emerge. The most valuable skill of the future may be learning how to work with AI. Every powerful invention comes with responsibility. The future depends on how wisely we use it. AI can give us answers in seconds. But the future belongs to people who still learn how to think. AI can create content, but only humans can dream what should exist next. From calculations to creativity, human imagination made it all possible. What's waiting beyond AI?
We believe generative AI was the destination, but perhaps it is only the first chapter. The future isn't about machines replacing people. It's about intelligence woven into every part of our lives. The next revolution may not be artificial intelligence free. It may be collective intelligence. Technology can become more powerful every year, but wisdom must always belong to humanity.
The future will not be written by AI alone. It will be written by the choices we make together.